Logo. Smithsonian. Text. This video is audio described, AD, for people who are blind, have low vision, and/or have brain-based disabilities. Title text. See Science in 60 seconds. Swirls in shades of blue flow among the words of the title text. Text. Dr. Elisa Palomino, Research Associate. National Museum of Natural History, Arctic Studies Center.
I am Elisa Palomino, and I collaborate with the Smithsonian Arctic Studies Center alongside Bill Fitzu and Stephen Loring, exploring the NMNH Alaska Native Fish Collection.
Two items from the National Museum of Natural History appear. They are a bag-like container and a garment. Subsequent photographs show people of the Ainu, Hanja, Inuit, and Nanai cultures.
From the Ainu of Japan to the Hertze of Northeast China, the Inuit of Alaska, and the Nanai of Siberia, indigenous peoples have long transformed fish skin into durable garments, shoes, and containers.
A photo shows a salmon separated from its skin. Additional photos show a Nanai fish skin robe, a Yupik fish skin parka, an Alutiiq fish skin hood, and a Ainu fish skin boot.
This ancestral practice of tanning, dyeing, softening, and stitching skins that would otherwise be discarded offers a powerful model for sustainable design.
A black and white photo shows a Nanai woman and child processing fish skin.
As a fashion designer, I first worked with fish leather at John Galliano and Christian Dior.
A runway model wears a fish skin item from John Galliano's Pret-a-Porter Autumn-Winter 2002 collection.
Now I am extremely grateful to collaborate with indigenous artists and elders such as Dune Pardew, Wenfen Yu, and Anatoly Duncan, exploring fish skin as a heritage material and a renewable resource. In the Smithsonian's Futures exhibition, I studied how indigenous knowledge can inform sustainable design.
Photos show a fish skin bag dyed with indigo, a Nike sneaker made from perch leather, and a Salvatore Ferragamo heeled shoe made from turquoise-dyed snapper leather.
By learning from these traditions, we can challenge extractive models in fashion and reimagine our material relationships, grounded in respect, regeneration, and care.
Text. Image and video credits. The Protected Art Archive. Chris Arend, Anchorage Museum at Rasmussen Center. Hadwin Seymour, United States Fish and Wildlife Service. Tatiana Melnikova, Vivi Lannon, Patrice Stable, and Amy Stephian, Alutiiq Museum. Atlantic Leather. Christopher Broadbent, Museo Ferragamo. Kristen Faulkner, Jay Zacchaeus, Takayuki Ishii, Laura Fernandez, and Stephen Loring, Smithsonian Institution. And Elisa Palomino, Smithsonian Institution. For more information, visit the Ocean Science Center. https://naturalhistory.si.edu/initiatives/oceans/ocean-science-center